What's going on, y'all? We here, and it's 8:30 a.m. Saturday, May 30th. Sarah and I are just about to head out for a run before I go to the lake. During these times, I usually wake up around noon, but I feel bad for wasting half of my day, so I think it's time for a change. So I'm gonna change, have a banana, some toast, and then we're gonna head out. Let's go. Babe, what kind of pancakes are we making here? Banana. Banana pancakes, yes. Alright, just finished breakfast, packed all my things, so you can see right there, and now I'm on my way to Prince Albert. I'm gonna go to Emma Lake, and we're gonna go surfing today. I'm so pumped. Jeremy and Vlad are already out there, so I got a 2.5 hour drive ahead of me, and yeah, see you when I get there. Obviously. Otis, come here, Otis, come here, come on, you want some belly rubs?
No, we'll just have to
double
up on this.
Yes, you do.
Yeah, we just
Eat that ice. What are we making right now?
I'll just take a sip. Yeah.
What is that?
No, that's wrong.
What's in it? Oh!
Good. Just trigger my heartburn.
I'm ready for an adventure.
Yeah, it'll be a bit of an adventure.
But first stop, Margaritaville. 3, 2, 1, cheers.
Yeah.
Very good, very delicious. Good job, Vlad.
Luck?
What are you doing trying to be a doctor? Become a bartender. Margarita specialty.
We can do both.
On today's agenda, we're dumping some seaweed.
This is a slough, 100%. Like, we are in a slough right now.
Well, the stuff we have in the back is slewage.
Man, did you guys bring flip-flops?
I did.
No.
I already dumped here. This is the same thing we're dumping right here, what I'm standing on.
Gross. There, up.
That?
No, other way, other way.
Oh my god.
Oh.
As soon as it dumped, the suspension was like, boing.
Awesome.
All right, let's go back.
Come here.
Hello.
He just
All
wants
the
to
dogs.
sniff you.
It's Dog Haven. I think that's full. Oh, you want to come with us?
I don't know if you're leashed for it.
Oh. Come on.
Come on, Nixon.
Come on, Nixon. You don't even like car rides, buddy.
This is the second load. We're gonna dump
I
it.
didn't bring flip-flops this time.
Oh, guess Jeremy's getting his feet
No, I
dirty.
don't need-
Jogger. We got a jogger here. On your left.
10-2.
Give me a high five, I said. Successful trip.
Oh!
Ow. Hey, Jeremy. What's up? I'm pushing it. Oh! That wasn't worth it.
You probably got it.
We're gonna rake the beach. Oh no, let's gas. You're only half done.
Oh, he's stuck in the rope.
That's one.
That's how it's done. Look.
You look like you're about to get pitted.
How's the water, Vlad?
What?
How's the water?
I'm used to it now.
I can barely hold the camera. It's so freaking cold. My name's Josh Weedy, and this is Spray Tan Grinch.
Oh! Spicy!
Take us in, Jer. Mike, look at that. Yum.
Some backyard lake.
Better than I deserve, hey Vlad? Better than I deserve. Dang.
That's from Dave Ramsey.
What's up, guys? Plan today was to wake up early so we can beat the winds that were supposed to come in and go surfing. But I don't know if we're gonna be able to go surfing today because I think the winds are already here. No raisins. Peace out, Vlad. Nice driving there, buddy. Jeremy doesn't have keys, and I don't think his brother's home, so we might have to go to Ty's work, pick up his keys, come back here, park the Porsche, grab his car, and then go back to Saskatoon.
I had all my makeup on.
Hi, Ty. Yeah. Thanks, Ty. See you later. TJ's, then up to the hill, to the barn, and then out to Saskatoon. Alright, sounds good. Home time. There's my flip-flops.